Hi everyone, this is Reverend Prophetess, Lady of Wisdom, also known as the Prophet of the Christ. Today's date is March the 14th, 2023, and it's around like 5:30 something p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I know this video, a lot of people was asking about me doing this video, and I got distracted, sidetracked, but I'm here. So I wanted to tell you guys, sorry I look a mess. I work from home today and I was just simply moving my car because they do like darn street cleaning and you got to move the car and then move it to a different block and then move back. It's just crazy. Okay. So I am over a year locked as far as with my braid locks. I hate to show you these things because I need a retie. My hair looks a mess. I haven't I need to, interlock, because when I retighten my hair, I interlock it and, do it myself. So I'm going to take this off. Oh my God, bear with me. It's looking rough in these streets. So it's still shrunken up. I'm still on the same routine. I still shampoo, condition, deep condition my hair. My hair every 2 weeks. I do wrap my hair every night with either my silk bonnet or my silk scarf. So I'm actually not going to make this video, too long or whatever, start rambling. But I am going to include pictures of my journey as far as with my braid locks. So I can't really turn around because I'm in the car seat. So, oops, sorry. I had to turn this phone around because it's like on my dash and I don't know how to turn this phone around on the dash without knocking a little phone holder thing on the floor. So anyways, so they're still shrunken up. I don't know when it's going to start to drop. From what I heard, some people say it could take a couple of years, a few years from what I heard. But some of my changes, I still have a lot of, I guess you could still see the braid pattern, clearly in a lot of my locks. A lot of my locks have locked as well. It's hard for me to show you. This is locked. You can still see that as a braid there, but the end of my lock is like a bud there. It's hard as heck to see. My apologies. I'm trying to utilize the daylight outside since I'm in the car. I could probably turn this on. Well, never mind. That's not helping either. Anyways, so you could clearly still see. I could try to get closer. Sorry about it's dark. You see how that's still clearly a braid pattern there, so which you can see. But like I said, it's still frizzy as ever. Still clearly a braid pattern, and I've been locked over a year now as far as my braid locks, and it's still a braid pattern. Some of my locks where I twisted down at the bottom or in the middle, like where my breakage was, because I didn't want to braid there, those portions of my hair actually locked. This is hard to show you, sorry about that. This is a lot where my breakage was, and as you can see, shucks, it's hard as heck to show you. I try to bring it down. So this is a lock. So from my understanding and also my experience, it does appear that twists lock faster than braids. So I guess that's because like more of your hair is like intertwined, so to speak. I don't know what I'm saying, but it just seemed like in my experience with this lock journey is that the parts of my hair where I twisted more than braided, those parts of my hair has been successfully locked. People walking past looking at, I'm in the car, people might think I'm in here talking to myself. But anyways, you guys, I did just want to do an update, show you guys my hair. I can't really turn around, my apologies, I'm in a seat. So it's still shrunken up, clearly. Yeah. So, but anyways, thank you guys very much for watching, and more information about me, please visit www.christiangifted.psychics.com. Thank you so much, and have a blessed rest of your afternoon and evening. It's windy as heck wherever you are. I'm in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It is super darn windy, okay? So, yeah. So try not to wear a wig today unless you really want to secure that thing. But everybody, peace out. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day, and y'all be safe out there and stay warm.